Hello and welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, we have a rather unsightly hole in the wall. So let's see if we can fill this in and make it appear as though it was never here. So the first thing we'll do is just tidy this up a little bit before we make any attempt to try and fill this hole. Now, I've already done quite a bit of that because there was a grate sitting in front of this. But obviously there's just these last bits to do. And if we don't make this effort now, then there's going to be no chance of filling this in and making it completely transparent. It will be otherwise completely obvious that there is just a big hole here, and that's obviously not what we're after. One other bit we need to get out is these rule plugs. Let's see if we can get these out. I think they're going to pull more of the render with it. Well, there's the first one. With all those out, I've actually just found an old bit of sandpaper. So I think I'll just use that just to get rid of all the residue. So, with that prep done, it's now time to actually fill in the hole, hopefully without dropping too much more of the cement on the floor. And as you'll see clearly in a moment, I didn't actually brick or block this up. Now that would have been a much better solution given the actual size and nature of the hole. However, given the lockdown that we're in and the shortage of available materials, I just had to use what was available, even though it was less than ideal. Worst comes to the worst, I could always start again when those materials became available. But I did think that if I just took the time, as I normally do with all these type of jobs, and just completed it in stages, building this up in layers, I could still get the job done. So after ensuring that none of this actually stood proud of the wall, because otherwise the hole would appear even more obvious, it was on to trying to get the right finish for the wall and the stippling type of effect that the rest of the wall has. Now, the rest of the house is quite varied in its effect, but obviously you want to try and match the local area. Now, I did try with a sponge, but really just couldn't quite get the finish that I was looking for, so after re-wetting again, went back to my trowel and just tried to match as best as I could the immediate surrounding wall. Now, I'm reasonably happy with the outcome, but you judge for yourselves what you think and tell me in the comments below. Well, I think I'm getting a vote of confidence from the painting. Thanks very much for joining me again on the channel. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you again soon with some more videos.